Hello students, welcome to the channel. In today's session, we are going to solve another numerical that is based on Taylor's two-life equation. In the previous video, we have already solved one numerical problem related to this topic. If you would like to revise the basic concept and understand the fundamentals of Taylor's two-life equation, you can watch that video by clicking on the I icon that is provided in this video. So let's get started with the today's problem. The statement of today's problem: in a turning operation, two tool X and Y are used. For tool X, the process parameter N and C is given. For tool Y, N and C are given. Both the tool will have the same tool life, that is markable point. Then determine the cutting speed in meter per minute. So to find out cutting speed, the first step to write down the given data. So as per the question, in a turning operation, tool life of tool is tested on lathe machine, and the condition 1 for tool X is given N and C, and the condition for tool Y, N and C parameters are given. Now we know the Taylor's tool life equation, where V is the cutting speed, T is the tool life, and N and C is the constant of Taylor's tool life, that is depend on the feed, depth of cut, work material, tool material, and tool life criteria. N is nearly constant for the same material, and C depend on the tool, work material, and cutting speed that is discussed in previous video. So you have to go and watch that video first. Now we can start to solve this numerical from the step number 2. We know the Taylor's tool life equation. Write the Taylor's tool life equation. Then you have to substitute the given values of tool X in equation. For tool X, we have got this equation number 1. Then same thing is do for the tool Y. You have to substitute the value of tool Y. Now we have got two equations, and as per we know linear equations, if there is two variable missing, at least we have requirement of two linear equation. Now there is one notable thing, as per the given in question, both the tool will have the same tool life as per the given in question. If tool life is same, then cutting speed will also same, because cutting speed and tool lives are inversely related. So here tool X and tool Y material is different, but as per the question it is given that the tool life is same. That's why the cutting speed is also same. Now we can able to write from equation number 1 and equation number 2, comparing LHS to the RHS. Now we have to find out the value of V. Start to solve. First you have simplify the power by in this way, then we can move forward. Comes one side the variables and one side constant. Start to solve step by steps you have to follow. Then finally we have got the value of V, that is cutting speed, that is asked in the question. Now we can move forward and we can find out the Taylor's tool life. What is the Taylor's tool life? And computing substituting the value of V in equation 2, we can able to find the value of Taylor's tool life equation. So in this way you have to follow. You have to easily find the value, and this is the resultant value. Student, if you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel for more such numerical. In the next lecture, we will solve more problem with different conditions. Thank you.